YouTube, what up? So I'm back. I got another quick unboxing for you guys. This is going to be a very unpolished video. I'm simply doing an unboxing. I'm gonna give you my initial thoughts and impressions, but I decided to pick up a gaming PC because the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X have both been sold out. So decided to go with this. Now this PC cost me about $4,800. It's not cheap. In fact, if there's somebody in the comments or if there's anybody who's watching this video think that they can possibly build me a comparable PC at a cheaper price, let me know. We might be able to talk some business. But the PC that I have here is a Corsair Vengeance i7200. This PC features an Intel Core i9 10850K. It's liquid cooled. It has an NVIDIA RTX 3090. It has 32 gigabytes of Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3200 RAM. What do we have here? We got 1 terabyte of M.2 NVMe SSD storage, and we also have 2 terabytes of hard disk drive storage. The motherboard is a Z490 ATX. Let's see, what else do we have here? The operating system is going to be Windows 10. So I don't want to bore you guys with all of the details, but I did want to let you guys know what I'm coming with. Now, I'm not a huge gamer. I play video games from time to time, so this is probably a waste of money in the long run, but you know, sometimes when I'm at the crib bored, especially now with the whole pandemic situation going on, I like to play a game or two. So anyways, I decided to pick this up. I did pick up a mouse and a keyboard. I've never gamed with a mouse or a keyboard. I'm gonna see if I can get into it. One of the things that may save me is that I've read that you can attach a regular Xbox 360 controller to your gaming PC. Even PlayStation controllers work with it, I believe. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, so that's what comes inside of the box. How do I want to take this out of here? Maybe I should. Is this thing, is it upside? It might be upside down. As a matter of fact, I think that it is. All right. All right, so inside of the box, my bad, I'm trying to not mess up anything. Again, I told you this would be an unpolished video. It's going to be a quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off of this, and we'll talk about everything else that comes inside of the box. Kind of go from there. All right, so it has this tempered glass on this side. Here, let's see. On the inside of the box, you get a warranty guide. Put that to the side, and then you also get your power cable. What is this? Okay, so it looks like we have antennas. I'm assuming that this is for the Wi-Fi. I do believe that this is equipped with Wi-Fi 6. Yeah, so these are your 2 antennas. All right, we'll see if that'll pick up. Oh well, can't really get that in focus. It's not really that important. And then again, you also got your power cord. Now I'm gonna give you guys a couple of close-ups on it. And again, if you guys want me to do a more detailed review, I can go ahead and read more about what I picked up. Again, I'm not a huge gamer, so this is all new to me. Let's see. Pull this down. All right, there it is. So the way we're gonna wrap up this video, I'm gonna get it hooked up. I'm trying to think of where I'm gonna put it at. I'm gonna get it hooked up. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of B-roll shots. And again, if you guys want a more thorough, a more detailed review, here, I'll go ahead and open this up. Is that how I open this? You can tell I've never had one of these before. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and figure this out. I don't want to break now. I want to take my time with it. So again, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of B-roll. It's been real, YouTube. Again, if you want to see more, just let me know, and I'll make another video, an updated video. I might even put together a video showing you guys what it looks like. I have the LG C10 right here. It's a 77-inch. So that might be a dope follow-up video. But until next time, YouTube, you know the vibes. Be good or be good at it. I'm out.
Bloodstains all around. My stupid past, so long enough. You ain't seen
I'm always playing it, couldn't push me down the hill. I double numbers on up and comers, you rookies gotta chill. Broke a classic off sour power, hit whip me out a mill. Life's a bitch and still crowd around her, that pussy got a shield. Pack a Allen on half my talent, your calendar is clear. Black medallion, I'm back to styling, imbalance your career. Nigga missed me by the argument, lift that in my 20s. Hundreds and 50s, all I bargain with, still bagging up money. Dummy, I'm stereo trips, name me a guardian, superior risk. Play me a starving canary to fist. Raise me a problem, don't compare me to shit. Came from the bottom, bodies dead on the strip. Brand me a column, probably hear I'm equipped. Ran the asylum, bottom tears on my shit. Candy in Harlem, rocket flares on my whip. The profit handling click. You out here scamming the trick. You sneaky thief and chop your hand, you get slick. Then rock you sleepy, drop the bands on your fit. You get into it, you don't talk about it. The trouble comes and ain't no walk around it. Why you think the morgue is crowded? Don't get your body chalk around it. How in the land of opportunity when niggas trying to ruin me? Don't make this type of eulogy. Class in session, pay your student fee. They eyeing all your jewelry. What your problems got to do with me? You begging, I ain't heard a thing. Money hollers usually.
Get back at it with banks. Reverse camera on, I'm back out of the bank. No withdrawal, just depositing. I ain't get this plug on Twitter, but I'ma follow him. And what your problems got to do with me? And why the fuck you screwing me? I kill him then, go and read his eulogy. I got beef, I don't talk about it. Put the hawk up in him, spin it, pull a hawk about him. Pull a whip on the strip, niggas a gawk about it. Never stick your dick in the chicken, that bitch a squawk about it. Why these bitches wanna ruin me? Probably cause I'm speaking money fluently. And it's the land of opportunity. I told Banks I get G's by the unit B. All I need is yo, ain't nothing they can do with me.
You get into it, you don't talk about it. The trouble comes and ain't no walk around it. Why you think the morgue is crowded? Don't get your body chalk around it. How in the land of opportunity when niggas trying to ruin me? Don't make this type of eulogy. Class in session, pay your student fee. They eyeing all your jewelry. What your problems got to do with me? You begging, I ain't heard a thing. Money hollers usually. Nothing reminds me of the grimy time to call it quits. As soon as I fix them, been off revenge, alcoholic twitch. Popular appear when sloppy handing off enormous bricks. Invitation and forces missed, followed by performance slips. Neo Diesel and California flips. The figures transforming, destiny's calling your normal piss. Stomping the standards I set, skipping the portal list. 20 fucking years on the set, ditching the spoiled bitch. Stuck on a new beginning, my fucks in the Thule spinning. Line up with the ruined and willing, die tough in the movie ending. Bending these corners with the peace out, you're panicking. Play with the money, knock 20 teeth out your camera grin. Breaking the borders, all the channeling. I promise my conscience I'll be the man again and shock you out your ambient. Imposters die, the family wins. I'm pocket sizing champions. Rockabye and panties and the bopper slide the hammers in. You get into it, you don't talk about it. The trouble comes and ain't no walk around it. Why you think the morgue is crowded? Don't get your body chalk around it. How in the land of opportunity when niggas trying to ruin me? Don't make us type of eulogy. Class in session, pay your student fee. They eyeing all your jewelry. What your problems got to do with me? You begging, I ain't heard a thing. Money hollers usually.